Hello lovely audience, welcome back to my channel. In this episode I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. Sometime after creating an account you want to delete it but you don't know how. Maybe you have a duplicate account or for personal reasons. In this episode I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. First, open your Facebook tab and try to navigate to the topmost right corner and tap on it. From here, just proceed to locate settings and privacy and tap on it. From here, locate settings and tap on settings. From here, scroll down until you locate profile access and control and tap on it. So here you have deactivation and deletion, so tap on. Of course, here we have two options. One is to deactivate your account and the other is to delete your account. For deactivating your account, after I proceed with this option, your account will temporarily be deactivated. So at any moment you are ready to reactivate your account, you just have to log in and everything will come back to this place. For deleting option, when we tap on the deletion option, after deleting your account, all other information that you have on it will also be deleted, and you have up to 30 days to either sign in back into your account and regain access to it, or after 30 days this account will just go on without it. So let's go on to continue to account deletion. So in this, you will be asked to provide a reason why you want to delete your account. So perhaps let's just pick one of the options here. I spent too much time on Facebook, so let's tap on it. Tapping on it, then let's continue. Facebook is still trying to motivate you to deactivate the account instead of deleting. They want you to know that there is an option of deactivating. Sometimes if you want to log in, you can access by logging in. But if you still want to proceed, just there is an option where you download your information. There is an option where you will transfer your information. There's an option where you edit group admin settings in case you are in administration holding. So from here, when you proceed and tap on delete account, after reading all these things, you proceeded to delete your account permanently. So after 30 days, the account will just go on permanent. Within 30 days, you have the flexibility of regaining back your account by just logging in your account. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. Bye bye.